Press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get the notification for the latest tips and tricks for free.
Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel, and today in this video we will see how to remove a part of audio from a video and then use the another audio. This is very useful when you are editing videos, and if there is a part of a video where you want to have a different audio, then we will see how to do it. Now for this one I will go ahead and open a new project. Okay, yes, then what I will do is I will go ahead and import a video. So once I have imported the video, what I will do is I will add this video to the timeline here. Okay, now you can see this is the video and this is the audio. So if you want to see the preview of the video and if you want to see the audio in wave form, then you have to go to this option here, click this option and then select expand all tracks. So this is the video and this is the audio part. Now right now the audio and the video, they are linked together. So what you have to do is you have to unlink this video. So you will right click on this video and select unlink. So once you do that, now the video and the audio, they are independent. So suppose if you want to remove the part of audio from this moment of time until somewhere here, then let us see how to do it. For that one, what I will do is I'll select this razor tool and then I will click here to split the audio. Now I will move this pointer until the point of time where I want to have a different audio, and then again I will use the razor tool to split the audio. So now this part of the audio I can remove it. Now if you want to add a different audio, just import the audio. Suppose this is the audio, then I'll open. So what I'll do is I'll drag this audio and add to the timeline here. So now you can see I have added a different audio to the video. So this is how you can remove a part of an audio from a video and then add another one. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks.